A global Christian religious body, Dominion City has called on Nigerians to continuously seek God's intervention in order to overcome the challenges bedeveiling the country. The body, who made a call in Abuja at a news conference to unveil its program for the 2025 Night of Glory Crusade, said the nation needs divine intervention to thrive. Addressing newsmen, members of the Central Executive Council said it is the responsibility of all Nigerians to bring the desired change that is being sought for.
We are welcoming everybody, regardless of your religion, regardless of where you're coming from, your background. God has a package for everybody that night.
There is nothing you're going through now that God cannot sort out. You may have tried other means. You can try God this time. You may have cried all night. You can try God that night.
The team also said the vision of the Dominion City is not just for spiritual growth, but to raise leaders that will transform societies and the country at large. The 2025 Night of Glory Crusade is scheduled for December 5th at the main bowl of the Moshood Abiola National Stadium, Abuja. CNN News.